Welcome back everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how you can deactivate any PlayStation 4 out there. Now if you have a PlayStation 5, it's a little bit of a different process. I made a separate video on that, but this is specifically for PlayStation 4, PlayStation 4 Slim, or PlayStation 4 Pro, PS4 Pro, whatever you want to call it. Now in order to do this, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have access to your console, it turns on and everything. So the first thing, you want to boot your PS4 up and you want to go ahead and go into your settings. Now when you click on settings, you want to go under account management. So click on the account management one and then it'll say activate as your primary PS4. There's a little option there that allows you to pretty much click into it. So what you want to do is you want to click into that option and then you want to select the deactivate button and then it's going to allow you to click yes or no. You want to go ahead and click yes. Now when you click on that, what's going to happen is that PS4 will no longer be your main console that you can use essentially. That's the best way to put it. That is not going to be your primary console anymore. Now, if you want to go ahead and turn this back on to your primary console, all you have to do is go back into your settings. You want to go to account management, click activate as your primary PS4, and then where it says activate, you want to go and click activate, and then you want to click yes. So very easy process. That's pretty much how you do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.